Hi friends! Today we're going to learn how to draw and color a ball, or palla in Italian. We will also learn colors and practice writing the letter B. Are you ready? Let's go!
Hi friends, I'm Ami. Today we're going to draw together a fun, easy beach ball. First, I've drawn a big circle and now I've drawn a smaller circle. Let's connect the two circles with long curved lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Let's color!
Now for the fun part. Let's color our ball. The first color I'm using is red. Or in Italian we say rosso.
Time to get up and jump around.
Red is my favorite color. What's your favorite color?
Higher and higher, have a ball. Twirl, twirl, twirl in a circle round.
The next color is orange. Or as we say in Italian, arancione.
Can you stomp like an elephant?
This next color is yellow. In Italian we say giallo.
Can you reach for the bigger sky?
Now I'm doing green. In Italian we say verde.
Jump, jump, jump like a bouncy ball.
This color is blue. In Italian we pronounce it blue.
Make a happy sound all over town.
This color is purple. In Italian we say viola.
Here we go, and get ready for the big surprise.
You're doing a great job.
Jump, jump, jump like a
Stick
bouncy
around
ball.
because something fun is coming up next with Bo Bunny.
Have a ball. Twirl,
This last color is brown or marrone.
Let's practice writing the letter B. Start at the top, go down, back to the top, and go down and around. Now, draw a curved line going around. Great job writing the letter B. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!